Chelsnik, world record holder in resting. Wherever you put him, Dave will rest. Out of all the resting apparatus, Dave obviously prefers the hammock. But lately he found that a hammock, great as it may be, presents many glitches that can muddle up a good rest. So he teamed up with the good people from Crua to create Koala. A hammock designed so you don't ever have to stop relaxing. Koala has everything needed for the most restful of rests. A pillow, a bug mesh, an option to take out the spreader bar so you can rest more cocoon-like, and even a tablet holder to hang your tablet as you watch it. But that's not all. See for example what happens when Dave wanted to rest his beer in his old hammock. So Koala not only has a pocket for the beer, it's a beer koozie, so that the beer stays nice and cool. Cool. Koala has 8 different sized pockets. Here's a quick list of stuff you can put in them. And inside, there are 3 water-resistant pockets for Dave's phone, tablet, and valuables. So much better than where he kept his phone in his previous hammock. Koala is light and very easy to carry, so there are no second thoughts about taking it camping. Surprisingly, when imagining Koala, Dave also thought about talking to other people. With Koala's unique multi-position system, Dave can easily transform Koala into a sitting position. Now he can talk to his beloved friends. When it rains, Koala's rain tarp lets Dave nap away even in the pouring rain. Because it's so well designed, Koala can double as a bed with the attachable hammock quilt back. Dave can easily slide into the hammock and pull the quilt over himself, but he lets his loving friends do it for him. And here's Dave under the quilt. Here he is turning on Koala's LED lights, probably because he wants to read. No, it's another beer. If Dave desires to rest somewhere else, the quilt can also be used as a picnic blanket. Koala is Crua's 4th Kickstarter campaign, so you can be sure they know how to create and deliver great camping gear. They made sure every stitch of Koala is perfect, and that the fabrics are the most comfortable possible. Dave, you agree? He won't even pick up his head. What a champ. So if you too want the most restful of all hammocks, get Koala. It's Dave approved.
Love the outdoors? Camper, not needed. Heavy tent? Not needed. Just you, your car, and Lumaka. With Lumaka Simplicity, it's easy. Where you go, we go. Anytime, anywhere. Stop, you open it, and enjoy. Make Lumaka your outdoor companion. 3 years to perfect the design and improve the production procedure. With our 60-degree pivot hinge, you can install the awning on any low-height family car. Lumaka quality is undeniable. Designed and manufactured to ISO standards. Machinery has been designed by us, for us. Reflect your personality by letting us personalize your Lumaka. Change the way you enjoy quality time with family and friends with as little effort as possible. Live life, live it with Lumaka Simplicity.
Compact but powerful. It is the most advanced mosquito repellent ever developed. With a simple touch of the button, the Thermacell Radius Repeller creates a 110 square foot zone of protection. How does it work? You simply insert the repellent cartridge and turn it on. A heating element activates the scent-free repellent. Once activated, the repellent creates a powerful invisible zone of protection against mosquitoes. Radius's proven performance makes it ideal for your backyard, weekends away, or anywhere mosquitoes threaten outdoor enjoyment. With a fully rechargeable battery and a repellent cartridge that lasts up to 40 hours, the Thermacell Radius will change the way you fight mosquitoes. And because Radius does not require butane, it is TSA air travel friendly and is ready for wherever your adventure takes you. Thermacell, turn it on, mosquitoes gone.